is Arno from Autotalky.com. In this tutorial, I will show you how to configure your Android phone to your Autotalky.com account. In this segment episode, I will show you how to configure your Torque Pro to pair it with your Autotalky adapter, which is an OBD2 reader, and then set notifications to your Autotalky.com in order for you to communicate with your car. So as your car is running, it will automatically talk to you, send notifications directly to you to your smartphone.
Go to the preference, the settings, and go to the general preference, and click that one. And in the general preference, you have here the privacy policy and terms, the show tips, and the privacy policy terms. Just click that one, and you have the show tips, and click that, and also enabling your Wi-Fi sync. Do not click that one. For the warn if the GPS is off, you have to put a check on that, because that will that's important, because other cell phones or smartphones require that one. And so click that one, and for the hide the status bar, you have to check that also. And for the start up in the dashboard, you have to open that one and choose do not start the dashboard. And for the show notification bar, put a check on that one. And for the notification icon, if you want to hide the OBD2 notification, you can open it and make it as visible. You go down, and for the auto rotate, please check that one. Since you want to put your smartphone on the dashboard, it will just be on the right side. So please check that one. And on the snap to grid, choose the fine grid. And the number of dashboards, please open that one and just choose one dashboard, but you can actually choose 2 or 3, but in my case I choose 1. And go to click the confirm quit, check that one, and uncheck, please do not check the remove adapter remind. And since we're using here an English language, please check that one, and also the Bluetooth warning. And for the hang fix for HTC Samsung, use automatic, yeah. And also do not check then enable debugging, keep that open. Now we will go to the themes, and for the themes you can actually download any theme you want to, as long as you have a Wi-Fi or even have a plan to connect to your smartphone. And I have actually chosen way ahead of the, I have a theme with me that I choose the green one, because green, when it's dark in the car, green actually shows, it's like a chroma. And for the plugins, do not check that one. Actually you can have plugins downloaded there, but for me I didn't include the plugins. And for the units, you'll go to the units. I'm using miles because I'm here in the US in terms of distance, and I'm using also feet. Do not click the Celsius, and check the use of kilograms, and also the PSI on top of the bar. And don't display the PSI as HG, and use Newton meters. Click that one. Also check the gallons and the US gallons, not imperial gallons. Please check that one. And also the use of CFM. Please check that one. Since we are using the 24-hour clock, do not check the 12-hour clock. Keep that open. And we will go now to the OBD2 adapter settings. Since we are using Bluetooth to connect to our smartphone, please check that one. And also please check the OBD2. That's actually the OBD2 adapter paired in our smartphone or Torque application. Please check that one. And also only if the Bluetooth was already off, please check that one. And please uncheck the faster communication, and down below the disable ELM 327. Don't calculate MPG, do not click that one. And click the use vehicle fuel service, and also the most calculation method. Use the prefer the map as a default. And yeah, so just looking at back, we have that one now. So don't check that one. And we will go to the data logging uploads. I already have the PIDs. You can choose as much as you want to monitor in your car, so you can select as much as you want. But for Prius second generation version, Torque has specific like a package for Prius and other cars. All you have to do is click those, and you click the synchronous logging, and also the log when Torque is started. Click that one. For data logging and uploads, log when the Torque start, and also when OBD2 is connected. Please check that one. Do not check the automatically log the GPS. Uncheck that one. And rotate the log files. You can check that one. And also the formal log values. Please also check that. For the real-time uploads, I'm not checking the uploads at the web server, because I'm loading the CSV files that is generated from the Torque to Autotalky.com servers. So do not check that one. Only when yeah, you can see here it's defaulted to the web server of Torque, which the owner is Ian Hawkins. And for trip recording, please check automatic trip recording. Also discarding the 0.5 miles, please check that one. Also please check the ignore short gaps between. Please check that one. And also the log trip fuel consumed, please check that one. And also the log selected sensors, please check that. And if you want to deploy all your trip logs to the social network, you can check this, but on my case I'm not checking this one. I don't want to announce my trips in my social network in Facebook or in Twitter, so I'm not checking that one. So we go to the dashboard installation, dash installation settings. Check that one. Allow device to turn off, check. Power save mode, please check that one. And do not check the use airplane mode. Uncheck that. Do not check that one. And what else? The rest, do not check. Uncheck it. And we'll go to speech alarm settings and enable speech. Please check that one. And also the safety warnings. Please check it. When the engine is cold, please check that one. And notify on operating, and periodically scan it. Please check. Verbal alarms, please check. Quieter alarm volume, please check. Auto clear alarms, please check that one. And on the silence period, put it to 10 minutes. And let's go to the alarm manager. Actually, you can choose the alarm level. In my case, I'm trying to put an alarm between 80 miles to 100 miles. So when I hit 80 miles, torque will give me a signal that that I'm running 80 miles in the highway. So you can put any alarms you want there, monitored. But for now, I'm not putting it. And for special settings, just do not click that one. So there we go. We have already configured the general preferences, and that's it.
We hope our tutorials help you in configuring your Autotalky. And don't forget to let your car talk. This is Arno Mutia from Autotalky.com.